To check your transaction history on Ally Bank, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Escherock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab section on the main dashboard. Click on it to view all your accounts linked to Ally Bank. Step 3. Select the desired account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be a checking account, savings account, or any other account you hold with Ally. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on it to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also find options to download your transaction history for personal records. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Ally Bank. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally Bank's customer support.